You did the homework. The quadratic equation was easy. Okay. You remember the formula that x is equal to minus b. Remember? Is equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation where a and a also. Okay. All right. So if somebody says is 3 the solution of a particular quadratic equation, how will you say whether it is or not? So let's say 5x square plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Let's say this is a quadratic. Is 3 the solution of this? X, okay. Is x is equal to 3 a solution of the above QE quadratic equation? Question mark, right? So what will you do? How will you know whether x is a 3 is a solution or not? Sorry, 5? Correct. So instead of x, you put 3. If it is coming to 0, which means it is, otherwise it is not. Okay, good. You have little confidence in yourself. You know everything. Be little confident. Okay. All right. So now this is fine. You remember the factorization method? Middle term split. Okay, chalo. So tell me. Don't see here. Okay. I'm trying something. Okay. So can you split the middle term and get me the factors something like this into this is equal to 0. Then we will say product is 0. So which means this is 0 or this is 0. Correct? Factorization method. So can you tell me how do I split this? So when you multiply, you should get what? Okay, this into this. So here it is 1, here it is plus 8. So plus 8 into plus 1, 8. Okay. And when you add them, what you should get? Minus 6. When you add them, you should get minus 6. When I multiply them, I should get 8. Understood, right? So tell me two numbers which when multiplied gives me 8 and which when 4 into 2 is correct. But when I add them, I get 6. I don't get minus 6. It is correct. Just think about the signs now. Convince yourself, then you tell me. Okay. Think about it. Don't have to answer immediately. Think. See, 4 into 2 is 8. Is there anything else other than 4 and 2 are correct? Just check the signs. Minus 4 plus 2 is correct. Minus 2 it will be correct. No. So this is not going to work. Think it is correct. 4 and 2 are correct. Some signs you have to adjust. Minus 4 minus 2 is what? Minus 4 into my no wait. Minus 4 into minus 2. Product correct. So this is right. Minus 4 plus minus 2. It will be what? Addition of 2 should be minus 6. Is it minus 6? Minus 4 plus minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. You are getting it right. So this is done. So the answer, the correct split is x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. Correct? Then what do I do? No, wait. Let's take something common. Can I take these two common and these two common, including the sign? Okay. So x. No, I have to take something common. Minus 4 or 4x. 4, right? Okay. Next. See here also it will be x minus 4. Correct? So what should be here? Minus. Don't look at my face. Look at the board and in your mind you tell me. What should I write here such that when I open the bracket I'll get this? Minus here minus x into x. It's not minus 2 x. So this is not right. When I open this, it is minus x, not minus 2. Is it okay? Minus 1 is not going to work. See, when I open the bracket and do this, I should get minus 2x and minus 8. Just think about it. Let's adjust for x. Let's get 2 minus 2x. What should I do? When I open it, minus 2x. What about this? Minus into minus plus 2 into 4 a. Done. So now they are common. Can I take x minus 4 common and then x minus 2? You understand this, right? So implies what? Sorry. Okay, that is product rule. Implies either this is 0 or this is 0, 0 product rule. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, sorry, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x has to be, tell me, see, if something my x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x can x be 8? 8 minus 4 is 0? That way. I think, see, it's all logical. You should just think a little bit. Or if you take, see, if x minus 4 is 0, you take 4 to the other side, no? You'll get the value of x. Right? What is the value of x? Yes, you have to do that. Then only transpose. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to, so that's the thing. You understand, right? So these things are very elementary. Okay. What about the nature of roots? There was a section on nature of roots also, right? So can you tell me about nature of roots? Roots can be real, equal, can be real and unequal, or can be imaginary. There was, yeah, just read for 2 minutes. See, when you come, no, you should revise and come. So it's easy for me to proceed. I don't know. You should. So guys, give me a few minutes. I think I'm disconnected on my laptop. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಂ, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. Okay. Sananya, you understood about nature of fruits? Okay, done. So can you tell me about, I mean, there are only three types, right? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If that is greater than 0, then roots are and unequal. Greater than 0, real and unequal. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then remember the formula? Okay. So let's do some factorization. So quadratic equation, let's solve by the method of factorization. Okay, guys, exercise 5b. Okay, or rather, let me solve some problems before giving you exercise. All right. Okay. So Ananya, let's use that middle term splitting technique. Tell me, 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39. Can you solve this? Is this a quadratic equation? Why? Hey, you have to give justification. You just cannot say no and keep quiet. You have to tell me, because on that basis only you are saying it is no, right? So some basis should be there. See, when is an equation a quadratic equation? That you told me many times, right? Is this and this the same? Sorry, why? Is equal to, I brought it here, transpose. It became this. Is the meaning the same? Now tell me, is this a quadratic equation? Why? Every time I'll ask you why. Remember the definition of quadratic equation? You tell me the definition and say, okay, it is in that format. Any equation of the form, quadratic equation का definition. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c not equal to 0. Sorry, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c real numbers. It is that satisfying. So quadratic equation. Let's solve it. How do we solve? Okay. So what when you multiply, what you should have? This into this. Always. Last time it was only this because this was 1. So now this into this. What is it? 40 into 2. Okay. Sine. So what should be the number? When you multiply, you should get minus 78. When you add them, with the sign, always with the sign. So tell me those two numbers which when you multiply will give you minus 78. When you add them, you'll get minus 7. Take your time. Guys, are you able to hear on the feed? By the method of factorization, Anshu, you have not attended the earlier class. Of course, you will not understand. See, you have to find out two numbers, okay, which will multiply this into this. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find split. So basically the factorization method is split b such that when split b into two terms, let's say into two terms such that their product is AC, yani this into this, and they add up to B. Okay. So when you add them, you should get B, or rather whatever the sign here is. Okay. So when you add them, you should get B, and when you multiply them, you should get AC. So in this case, A is 2, C is minus 13, and when you multiply two numbers, you should get minus 78. When you add them, you should get minus 7. So now that is the idea. So find out two such numbers. When you multiply, get minus 78. When you add them, minus 7. You got the numbers? Try at least. 2 and 39 doesn't help you. Correct? So what are the other numbers? If not 2, then you try 3, try 4. That way you go. Somewhere you will get it. I'll give you some space. Come, try here. It will be better because that way you will do something. You know, rather than just sitting, you may require some calculation. Come. Just sitting, you may try 6. 6. Okay, 13 and 6. And what are the signs to make them minus 78 and minus 7? Are you sure? Because minus 13 into minus 6 will become 78. Minus minus plus, no? When you multiply, is it right? Explain how. Huh. Sorry? No, no, no. It is not. Not because it is a big number, minus will come. Minus into plus is minus. When you multiply, you do it this way. When you add, you keep the bigger sign. Okay. And if you add them, is it minus 7? No, no. When you minus 13 plus 6. Sure? Okay. Then solve it further. Yeah. Minus 13 into 6 is okay. Huh. Minus 13 plus 6. Because the numbers are minus 13 and 6, no? So it is fine. Okay, all right. Continue further. You can write it here if you want. You tell me. You found out the two numbers. Are that what are the two numbers you found? Then why are you doing it minus if it is 6? And x also should be there, no? Minus 13x plus 6x will give you minus 7x. Okay. Then take 2 ka group. Huh? Okay. It may not be 2 x always. Just see whatever common you can take, you take. Maximum. Don't look at me. When you open the bracket, will you get 2x square? Then it is fine. You don't have to look at me. You do your job, no? I'll only look at you. Open the bracket and see whether it is 2 into 3, 6x. Correct. Then plus minus minus 13. And 3 into 13, 39 is equal to 0. Okay. 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 Okay, very good. Zero product rule, you can write it down, implies 2x minus 13. Write a little bigger. Your Anshuman can't see it. It's okay, it's okay. I mean, next step onwards, you write big. Okay. Then it's the same thing, no? You wrote the same thing. No, zero product rule should be next line, because till now it is not. So when you say implies 2x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0, you should write zero product rule at that time. Okay. All right. So now you solve. No. So 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. 2x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Solve individually each one of them. So x is equal to, are you sure? Because if you put x3, substitute x is equal to 3, will it be 0? 3 plus 3, 6 is not equal to 0. Here only. X cannot be 3. Because if x is 3, your x plus 3 will become 6. Then you are telling that 6 is equal to 0. Transpose. Yeah. So minus 3 plus 3 will become 0, which is correct. Or this one, yeah. You take 13 to the other side. Yeah. And then I don't want 2 with x. What should I do? No, it is not. You cannot bring it minus there because it is not added to x. See, it is multiplied to x. So you have to divide. See, if you have to, if something is multiplied, you divide it. If something is added, you subtract it. Yeah, and x also, both sides you have to divide by 2. That's it. So 2 is gone on left hand side, and x is equal to, yeah, you don't have to write 6.5, I guess, but yeah, you check the answer. Sorry, this is the example. The duster is there, maybe duster. Yeah, the very first problem, left hand side. You put your finger somewhere. Yeah, no, left above that one. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah, you don't need to do 13 by 2 is good enough. Okay, all right, just write it down. So you understood this, right? Okay, all right. You'll be able to solve. Be a little confident. Okay. No, not in the formula book. So this is not a formula. I'm going to rub this because this is not needed. From here, you just write it down. So the second one I solved, guys. Let me know if you have any difficulty. You guys, are you done? So you're done with this, Anisha, this side, this one. Now look at the second problem. You understood this? X square is equal to 5x. So you bring 5x to the other side. You understood that, right? And then you take x common. So now it is multiplication of x and x minus y. There its product is 0. So either x has to be 0 or x minus y has to be 0, which means x has to be 5 or 0. Done? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. All right. All right. So now the third problem. All right. Example only we have to solve till we get better at this. Sorry. Page number is 54, problem 6. So x square is equal to 16. Okay. So can I do it this way? Can I do it this way? Then what do I do? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b, that formula. Can you do it from here? Can you take it from here? Yeah. Okay. Careful, 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 careful. Don't fall down. Okay. All right. You understood this, right? Okay. Write it now. I'll pick up a next problem. Yeah. So, guys, on the live session, right? Guys, I hope you are not sleeping. Anshuman, are you sleeping? You're done with that? What do you think about this? Come. No issues. You will have to solve in the exam. No, don't look at the solution, please. Come. Okay. All right. Yeah. Try. No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. How is it minus 6? Yes. When you multiply, it should be minus 9. And when you add, it should add up to minus 8. So, which are those two numbers do you think? Try. Because 9 is not far away. So, 1 into 9 can be 1. Is 1 into 9? Could be, no? Because 1 into 9 is 9. And 9 minus 1 is somewhere around 8. Try that. Try. Give it a shot. Write down 9 into 1. 1. Okay. Adjust the signs such that it is minus 9. Okay. Add them now. Minus 9 plus 1. Minus 8. It is a possibility. Minus 9 plus 8. Plus 1. Yeah. Plus 1. Plus 1 is correct. Yeah. So now you split that minus 8 as this minus 9 plus 1. That's it. And solve. X. 9x. Are you sure it is minus 1 or it should be? No, 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 no. See, which are the two numbers you selected? You write down that, no? Plus 1. Minus 9 plus 1. Is it minus 9x plus x is equal to minus 8? See, can we write minus 8x as minus 9x plus x? Correct, no? So that's how you have to think. Don't worry about minus 3 sign with the 3. No, no, wait, wait. See, instead of minus 8x, you wrote minus 9x plus x. Minus 3 will come after that. Where is it going? It is not going anywhere. Okay. take whatever is possible outside. Maximum what you can take common, you take. Are you sure that is the best you can do? Check properly inside. Can I take 3 outside? Take 1 outside. Yes. Okay, then. Guys on the live feed, I hope you guys are able to understand, right? Hmm. So write down 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, solve that. You cannot. Initially you cannot because there is 1, no? So first take 1 to the other side. Don't worry about that. Huh? So take 1 to the other side. Yeah. When you take it to the other side, what will happen? And now you divide both sides by 3. What is the answer? Can you write the minus sign correct clearly because can't see? Okay. Okay. Can we see the answer now? Okay. All right. Fine. You copy it in your book. That's okay. I'll take it. Careful, huh? Guys, I hope you are able to understand. Now, so these are the solutions. Okay. But he's asking you if x is an integer. Now, which one of them is an integer? Sorry? Which one of them is an integer? 1, 2, 3, minus 1 by 4, 7, 0, 2. Which one is an integer in this? Start telling me. One is an integer. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Which is a rational number? One is not a rational number. It is. Rational numbers are those numbers of the form P by Q, Q not equal to 0. So 2 is nothing but 2 by 1 only, no? You can write it like this. So it is a rational number, okay? All right. So if it is a rational number, if it is an integer, -3. -1 by 3 is not an integer. Second, if it is a rational number, I think Q, x is equal to -3, -1 by 3. Okay. What to do with this? Better. Okay. Done? Can you copy it? Siddharth, were you sleeping? You didn't turn up for class today. Guys, don't start talking on WhatsApp, please. I can see your conversation going on. I hacked into your system. So let's start with exercise 5B MCQs. Okay, start solving the MCQ, guys. Are you done? Okay, come MCQ, the very first one. The roots of the quadratic equation are. So you will have to use the split method, do this way and find out the solution, okay? So guys, start solving the exercise 5B MCQs. Can you tell me what is this problem? X square minus 6x. So you have to find out the solution. Can you split it? Come. You can do it. I'll help you out. Come, come. Don't worry, child. All these things are very simple. Just have faith in yourself. Take. So when you multiply, you tell me, okay. Okay, when you multiply, you should get -7. When you add them, you should get -6. So which are the numbers? Try. At least let's try. When you multiply two numbers, you should get 7. Of course, there are the very first number. 1 into? Okay. No, well, let's start with 1 into 7 first. 1 into 7, write down 1 into 7. Sign is not matching. So what should you do? Minus is okay. Then when you add -7 plus 6, sorry, -7 plus 1, you get -6? Okay, do it. That's it. Battery. Mm, okay, so this is like, wait, 1 second. When you open the bracket, do you get x square? Okay, first -7x I get. What about this? Okay. Okay, so now check whether when you open the bracket you get correctly. Okay, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Complete here is equal to 0. So now write down the next step. Implies x is equal to 7. Sorry, x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Bracket, right? 0 product rule. Yeah. See, MCQs you don't have to solve all the way, but I'm making you do it so that you do it properly. You have the practice. Okay. Okay. Solve it now. Are you sure? Are you sure? How? Okay. X is equal to -1. Write down x is equal to -1. So which is the solution? Can you tell me? Go to your place and you can tell me from there. Or bring your book. I think that is even better. Page 56. Take this. And then you move on to the next problem. Okay. You mark it in your book. See, today you are getting so much chance because Sid is not there. You should be thankful. You understood, right? You have a pencil, you use a pencil to mark it. Or you write in your book, exercise this is the option, right? Something like that. Hmm. Don't do that. You do it with a pen. Check the answer at the back. Okay. Second one. Hmm. You can do it here. No, no, wait. Okay. No. See, that x is multiplied to x plus 8, correct? You cannot just add it to 12 here. You have to open the bracket. Open the bracket. See, x into x plus 8, right? X is multiplied to x plus 8. Exactly. That's the way to go. Continue whatever is there afterwards. Okay. Yeah, I mean, but you can remove it outside the bracket. 8x. Yeah, brackets are not required here. Once you open the bracket, no need. Now, yes, middle term split. I think I'm losing battery. Okay. Is equal to 0 in the second last line. What? Can you just give me some? Is equal to 0. Third last line. Above that. Above that. Is equal to 0 in the end. And there is 1 second. There is no plus in between. X plus 6. Close the bracket. Yeah. It's multiplied, right? I mean, you take common. Yeah. This is correct. Now you solve. What is the value of x? You can go to the other side. There. Okay. Or x is equal to minus 2. All right. So which is the answer there? Check the answer at the back. See, B has option 2, option 3. Look at option 2 and option 3. So which one? And or? Correct. It cannot be at the same time. It has to be this or this. Okay. C. You are the only one. So guys, are you getting it? Said Anshu, Anisha. It's lagging a bit. Okay. You move on to the next one. Yeah. Yeah, try it out. What do you think? Remember, I asked you something in the morning. It's the same thing. If one of the roots of the equation is 2, find the value of p. See, if p 2 is the root, which means you instead of x you put 2 and solve, then you get the value of p. Yep. So what is the value of if one root of the equation is 2? So instead of x you put 2 everywhere, solve it, you'll get the value of p. Yeah, open the brackets, solve the value, get the value of p. Yes, of course, that is multiplied, no? So it's like 4p minus, yes, okay. Continue, whatever is there, no, 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 plus p. See, 2 plus p is there, no, on the top. So why it should become 2p now? Let's say write the same thing. No. You, of course, you can add this. And you can add 4p plus p also. Yes. Are you sure? How so? Okay. No, tell me how? No, they are not multiplied. When you multiply two numbers, minus plus minus. You remember the thing on the number line? If you are adding minus 12 plus 10, you take the sign of the bigger one and subtract the bigger one, smaller one from the bigger one. Bigger one is minus 12, so you take minus, and they differ, right? So 12 minus 2 is 10. That's the way to do. Okay, then what? Sorry? How will you bring p there? No, means not just like that. You have to multiply or divide or something, no? Why don't you get rid of the 10? Yes. So what is the answer? Okay, next one. Do it, yeah. Good. You're showing a lot of energy and promise. Good. You can rub that, or you can start here. No, D1, D1, D1. Next one. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2.5. MCQ continued. Right, no? You can use the duster.